बाद में
This shelter has been abandoned for some time.
Bill, slow down.
Perhaps we can find some supplies. Properly in days. You can't go.
I'll make some soup for us. A hot meal is what we need. I hope this is enough for everyone. Soup's ready! Time to eat!
Finally something hot. I thought I'd never feel warm again.
You said it, Buster. I'm starving. Oh, it tastes wonderful. Picking up like crazy! The blizzard's coming!
Everyone, hide inside, quick!
asking about my friend Bo. Mess around and put up in the friend zone. With you is like being in the end zone. Touchdown, touchdown, ayy. I be in the box like it's dental.